What's up, YouTube? Philly Fan Retail Rips here. We're going to be getting into some mega boxes today. We got a 2023 Zenith and a 2023 Illusions. We're going to be searching for those Hollow Heroes and the Zoom. Let's go ahead and actually let's cut it open and then you can take a look. Here's everything we're searching for. Some numbered cards, some autographs, the Zoom. But you can take a look at that, and let's get into it. Get into our first pack of the Zenith. We got Alec Pierce. Looks like these are a little nicked up. Hopefully not all of them are looking like that. We got CeeDee Lamb. These were all base cards. We got Harrison Smith, Dalton Schultz, DeAndre Swift. We got Sam Hubbard. We got Matthew Stafford. It's all base cards. Saquon Barkley, who's now an Eagle. Super excited about that. We got Joey B. We got Cam Akers. Doing a lot of flipping around here. We got a Z-Stars Jordan Love. That's a nice card. I like hitting those. And our rookies are in the back. Let's see what we got back there. We got, Sidney Brown rookie. I think it's the first Sidney Brown I've pulled. And then behind him, we got Felix and a Duke Zoma. Yeah, destroyed that name. We'll put our base rookies over here. And then behind that, it looks like a Lightning and Thunder. Oh, nice. Philly fan here. So we got Jalen Hurts and DeAndre Swift, Lightning Thunder. Put our stacks over there. I think with these, you get either an autograph or a memorabilia card for the mega boxes. I think that's only the Zenith, though. I don't think Illusions guarantees that. But the Zenith, as long as you don't see a memorabilia, it looks like we might have... that might not be a memorabilia card. We got Lamar Jackson. We got Isaiah Pacheco. We got Deebo Samuel. We got Aiden Hutchinson. Desmond Ridder. We got Harrison Butker. Christian McCaffrey. We got Kyler Murray. We got Michael Pittman Jr. And then a Dak Prescott. What's behind him? This is the class president. Brian Urlacher. We got a class president, Brian Urlacher. Back here. We got a Diane Henley. And then a Cameron Lott to Red Zone. And then behind that, looks like we got the Seal of Approval. Jamar Chase, Seal of Approval. Nice. All right, let's get into the pack number 3. It was the class president that we saw, not a memorabilia card, so that's good. So the autograph is still live. I got a couple shiny cards back there, it looks like. Jamal Williams. We got a Chase Claypool, a Joey Bosa, Jerry Jeudy. We got Derek Carr, Miles Sanders, Kirk Cousins, Josh Allen. Nice. I've been searching for him. I got to complete the base set, so it's nice to hit that one. Devontae Adams. Oh, there's Geno Smith and our memorabilia card. Cooper Kupp. That's a nice card, though. So, most likely not going to get an auto. But it was nice to hit that. We got a behind the numbers Nick Chubb. And then our rookies are behind this. So we got Marte Mapu. And a Brenton Strange. All right, halfway through. We got 3 packs left. All right, so no auto. We could still hit a zoom. That would be awesome. All right, we got Justin Jefferson. We got Odell Beckham. We got Patrick Mahomes, Devontae Smith, Cooper Kupp, Jalen Waddle. We got a Drake London, Joe Mixon, Cooper Kupp, Zach Ertz, and then a red zone Max Crosby. Looks like we got a Z Stars, is that what it is, or Z Team? Arizona, Kyler Murray Z Team. That's nice. Solid card there. And then behind the numbers, getting a lot of Will Anderson Jr. this year. Got a Tajay Spears. All right, and let's go ahead and get into pack number 5 here. No crazy hits out of this one yet. Let's go here. We got looks like a red parallel back there. I think it's going to be this way. We got Nick Bosa. We got Amon-Ra St. Brown. Michael Thomas. Trevor Lawrence. TJ Watt. Cortland Sutton. Christian Kirk. Kenny Pickett. Mac Jones. And then a red zone Mike Evans. Pull from the back here, see what we got. So Paris Johnson. See what else we got back there. Darius Davis. This is the Pacific Collection 2000. Trevor Lawrence. Those are nice looking cards. Wants to focus on a ton. And then this red parallel, Aaron Rodgers. I like these a lot, especially the blue and red parallels. And I'm going to sleeve and top load all these afterwards. But all these cards, you can check them in descriptions. If you see any that you like, you can head over to my card page, and all of them will be posted there. All right, so we got DJ Moore, Justin Herbert, we got Jahan Dotson, Mike Gesicki, Max Crosby, Mike Evans, Stefan Diggs. We got Jimmy Garoppolo, and this is our last pack, so let's see if we go out on anything big back here. Kenneth Walker, Christian Watson. We have a no huddle Amon-Ra St. Brown. That's a nice hit. We got a Jonathan Mingo rookie. Got a Cameron Latu. And then Micah Parsons on the 1994 Pacific. All right, so that is our Zenith Mega Box. No zoom. Let's go ahead and get into our illusions. See if we hit a Hollow Heroes. I haven't hit anything really crazy with the illusions this year. I did hit a Zoom CJ Stroud, and that was absolutely awesome. I did not get a recording of that one though. Okay, well this wants to be an extremely difficult box to open there. There we go. Alright, let's move our card. We'll go up here with these. So these, again, I'll sleeve these up after the video. And then again, if you do see anything you'll like, you can go to the description, and my card page will be there. And all of these will be posted on there within the next couple days. Alright, getting into our first pack of illusions here. Alright, I really like the illusions base cards. Jaron Hall. We got a rookie, Jonathan Mingo. Devontae Adams. Baker Mayfield. Daniel Jones. Cedric Tillman. We got Stetson Bennett. We got Justin Tucker. And then this is the Orange Trophy Collection, Stefan Diggs. With a Bryce Young on the Funkadelic. There are different colored parallels on these. The white is the base parallel. But yeah, those are nice cards, the Funkadelics. Alright, so we got Christian Kirk. Oh, nice, a Brock Purdy. We got a Deuce Vaughn rookie card. We got a Jordan Addison rookie card. That's a good hit there. Another Bryce Young. We got a base rookie card here. We got Rashee Rice base. We got a Christian Watson. And then we got another Orange Trophy Collection back here. Harrison Butker. And looks like we got an Orange Funkadelic. It is a rookie. Let's pull. So we'll hold the Shining Stars, Drake London behind him. And let's see. Zay Flowers on the Orange Parallel Funkadelic. That's a nice card. That's a good hit there. And I'll sleeve all these up after the video. Alright, get into our third pack. I've opened a bunch of illusions. I have not seen any of these Hollow Heroes. It would be really cool to hit one of those. Looks like another, like a Funkadelic or something there in the back. So we got a Jalen Hyatt. It's a rookie here. We got Nick Chubb. Cooper Kupp. Bijan Robinson, that's nice. And Alec Pierce. We got Najee Harris. We got a Luke Schoonmaker, rookie. We got a Justin Jefferson. And then behind him looks like another orange. Ryan Tannehill. Oh, this is a King of Cards. Jalen Carter, King of Cards. Very cool. I hit the Jalen Hurts King of Cards the other day. Nice. I like these ones too. That's a good one. Cool. All right. We are halfway done with our Illusions Mega Box. All right. So we got Adam Thielen. We got a scary Terry McLaurin. Looks like a little dimple in that card there. We got a Jordan Love, nice. We got a Kendre Miller, rookie card there. We got Chase Brown, Cam Akers. We got Drake London. And then Anthony Richardson rookie card, nice. And then we got another orange trophy collection, Aiden Hutchinson. And then looks like amazing insert. Josh Allen, amazing insert, nice. No dings on that one. It's a good hit there. All right, get into our fifth pack, illusions. We got Kenny Pickett. I've pulled Kenny Pickett in every single box, blaster or mega this year. Kenny Pickett is everywhere. Unfortunate, what not being a starter and just not really hitting. But yeah, Micah Parsons. We got Kirk Cousins. We got Travis Kelce. Got Sam Howell. Looks like a Jahmyr Gibbs rookie behind him. Nice. Got Jake Haener, Joe Burrow, and then an orange trophy collection behind Joe, Derek Carr, and a Mystique, not a rookie. Looks like Chicago. No, Tank Dell. Nice, it is a rookie. Oh, the Mystiques are on the bottom left. Nice, Tank Dell Mystique. This is the base Mystique, though. There are different color parallels for this one as well. All right, so our last pack here. Let's see, can we go out with a banger here on the illusions? Maybe get one of those hollow heroes that I've really wanted to pull. Got a Quentin Johnson. We got a Desmond Ridder. We got a Jonathan Taylor and a Dallas Goedert. We got CeeDee Lamb and Dalton Kincaid. Behind him, we got a Clyde Edwards-Helaire. So Jamar Chase on the orange trophy collection. It's like an emerald behind it. Oh no, we have a numbered. What was the team? Minnesota. All right. So we have a numbered, I think this is the teal. It's a rookie from Minnesota. Jaron Hall. Well, it's not the absolute worst, but it's of 175. It's a nice card. And then behind him, the Operation Detonation, Stephon Diggs. There is a numbered version of this as well. But yeah, that is that's our opening of the Illusions and Zenith. Kind of review the decent hits. We got a couple of the acetate cards here, the Tank Dell. We got a Jalen Carter. We got a Zay Flowers, and Bryce Young is probably our best one. And then of the okay hits, Jahmyr, Josh Allen, Anthony Richardson, Bijan, Shining Stars. We got Rashee Rice, Bryce Young, base, Jordan Addison, Brock Purdy. But I appreciate everybody for watching. Go ahead and check out my shorts videos. We have a giveaway going on over there. But I appreciate you watching, and have a good one.